There's a fine line in political life between courage of your convictions and insanity. And Mayor Gulley's about to cross that line. I thought, sure as hell I'm going to do it now. Signed it, issued it, and then what happened? What happened?
No one expected the giant explosion that it was going to cause. But, that's the way history gets made.
If they had left us alone, it would have been a flash in the pan. But when they came at us this way, that really galvanized support against the recall and for gay people.
What kind of community is this going to be? Is it going to be a community that gives in to lesser angels who are, support intolerance and bigotry, or is it going to stand up for the rights of people, all people?
If people stood together and worked for building a moral and progressive community, they could begin building what Martin Luther King called a beloved community.
We can walk a path that I think, frankly, is narrow-minded and bigoted and intolerant. Or we can walk a path that says we're going to be welcoming and diverse and accepting, and tolerance is what we're about. And my vision is communities, that's what Durham wants to be.
We had no sense of how many people we were about to lose. Even as we're taking care of those among us who need nursing, there are threats to our civil rights, to our safety, that could surface at any time. I have this image of how when ducks feed, there's always one duck that's not eating and is always kind of scanning the horizon for predators. I got that sense that we always have to have one duck not feeding.
I really, really wish that the folks today who are doing great work and are activists had some understanding of what it was like and what people went through to get to this place in time. And this is the other thing that I wish, is that we understood when we were that age and doing this work, how hard it was for the people before us. Everybody builds on the shoulders of the people before.